it's been personally 11 years playing for this franchise, and as a team as well, we've created a lot of memories. We played some unbelievable games in the past. We've defended very, very low totals. So those are very fond memories. It's something that I cannot forget. Yes, it was an unfortunate season for us. We are a little disappointed with that, but nothing to take away from what we have done in the past and all of those efforts. You are bound to have a season like that where things will not go the way that you want to, but that doesn't change the quality and the potential of this team. I'm not going to look too much into it because with the quality that we have, with the potential that we have, and the brand of cricket that we want to play, sometimes you may slip as well. We won't have the same squad unless some miracle happens. It'll be hard not to have all of them part of the same group next year, but hopefully we can just get the same core group of players and create another magical year, few years actually, not just 1 year. The credit has to go to scouts who just go day in, day out and go and watch all the domestic games and give us the feedback as to what individuals are doing. I mean, all these players are not just made in 1 or 2 days or 1 or 2 seasons. It's a lot of hard work over the years that they put in to make sure that they get the environment that they want to go out there and do the best they can. Everything has been taken care of here. You get the best of the facility. Everyone knows that. This franchise looks after the player like it's their own family, and to make sure that they get that freedom to go and express themselves. Over the years, the success that we've had, it's not just about 1 or 2 departments or 1 or 2 individuals or certain players or certain individuals. It's the entire unit who has been part of Mumbai Indians. Whether it's our support staff, medical staff, analytics staff, and our social media guys. The effort from Mahila, Bond, Robin Singh, Zaheer Khan, Jimmy, all these guys have been brilliant. People want to work with them. They enjoy working with these guys. That's been the hallmark of this team all this year. After I got to captain Mumbai Indians way back in 2013, my entire thinking about the game changed and I started looking at things very differently from there onwards. If you look at my personal career, I mean, I've grown as an individual, as a player, and then as a captain. So it has helped me a great deal, and I will be forever thankful to this franchisee for giving me that opportunity at that point to go and lead this franchisee. So it's been great, a great journey. And we look forward to many more memories in the future as well.